These are gonna be Bouge on a Budget bag finds. I have 4 bags to show you today. I feel like this one is like trending right now for fall and winter. Such a cute like fitting bag. You can put a lot of stuff in there. The leather is so soft. Honestly, when I saw the price, I was like, really? Because it looks so good, and inside it's like suede and also so soft. See the logo there, the zipper, really good quality. Gold is like the zipper. The zipper is so smooth. The gold looks so nice. A sign there. I liked, and I think that it looks great. Next bag that is also like bigger. I've been kind of on a hunt for some bigger bags. I feel like I have so many like smaller ones, so I wanted something bigger, and I feel like this brand is really trending right now. I needed it. And this one is good too. I really like it. This is the inside zipper. It does have a tiny bit of a smell, but it's not horrible. I feel like you can get rid of this one. Just like look at these details. I love all of this, like I'm obsessed. It also has this second strap, so you can either wear it like this or you can wear it like this. And the gold is like so nice. Rustic color. Just look at this one. I was like, oh my god. Oh my god, like you gotta be kidding me. This looks so cute. The only thing, I feel like the gold does not look the best. Something about it, I don't know, maybe it's just like a little bit too shiny, but how beautiful is this one? Oh my god. You know, I have so many bags, so I'm a bit picky and I would love it to be perfect. Many straps of this brand made this noise, and as I saw and heard, it's supposed to make this noise, especially at first. The back of it, I'm just obsessed with it. The color, the texture. And the last bag for this haul is this cute little one. Well, it's not the smallest one. I love the color and everything looks good. This one is also very budget, and I would say that this one is very solid. It comes with a chain, so you can wear it crossbody. There is a key. This is how it looks inside. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. And it's like soft. Gold looks good to me. I feel like these brands bags, they often run on like a golden yellowish side. Like originally, everything I see on the street is like everything kind of looks goldish. So I feel like it's right spot on.
Thanks for watching. All items link in description.